Hey guys, welcome to Grow a Garden on Roblox. We are playing Grow a Garden today because I gave 4 options on what game we should play, and it ended up a tie. I ended up choosing Grow a Garden due to its popularity on Roblox. And in this video, I have one goal and one goal only, to get a tree. Alright, let's go see what they have in the shop. Okay, well, unfortunately I am broke right now, because I only have 20 gold, so I will have to get 2 carrots. Okay, alright now, let's go plant them down. Now we wait for them to grow. Alright, let's go see how much that these carrots will sell for. I hope I will have enough for a strawberry. I guess I will have to sell and find out if I will get enough. Oh, alright, not bad. I got 49. Let's go see what I can buy in the shop. Sadly, I am just one short of a strawberry, so I will have to buy carrots instead. Okay, but now I think it's time for some calming Grow a Garden gameplay. I'll hop in if something happens. Enjoy. As you see here, I was able to get my first strawberry. It was at that moment I realized I got a giant carrot. I was thrilled by it, and it ended up selling for a lot of cash. I ended up getting a great thumbnail from this. I ended up checking out everything else in the map while I was waiting for my plants to grow. There was this event happening, but I decided to not participate this time due to me being new. There were more shops here, but everything was too expensive. So cut to me teleporting back to my garden. I was waiting for my plant to grow when one of my subscribers joined. I friended him yesterday, and he joined my game. We end later up having a conversation in chat. If you want a chance to be in my video as well, subscribe and comment your username, and I might send a friend request. I decide to AFK and wait for my plant to grow. Cut to where that happens. Here he begins to struggle gifting me. But that's okay because he's a subscriber. He ended up gifting me 2 pineapples, a giant ant, and a capybara. Shout out to HHRBG Checks. Well guys, that might just be it this time. We may have not gotten that tree like I hoped, but we have gotten a lot of progress. I'll be back to this game to continue soon. Thanks for watching.